This guy was hurt.
Take the fucking picture.
I'm videoing.
Oh, great. That's on video.
Look at you go, girl. You're so pretty. Oh, she's grooming. That's so cute.
The hummingbird's glitching. What the? You come on.
Such a cool tail.
On your face?
I guess so.
Yeah, you want some water. I know. I'm gonna do my best. This is the best I can do right now.
Hummingbird, and it like actually just comes to me. Watch.